Hello, my name is Beatrice Susie Scott. I work at Largo Middle School in Pinellas County, Florida. I am completing Task 1C of Marzano High Reliability Teacher Level 1 Course 1 Certification Video Reflection Activity. So this will include an explanation of all the major components of the model from Task 1A. And the model used is called backward design. The components are: you choose the goal before the methods of instruction that lead to completing an assessment. And the way you choose a goal is ask yourself, what is the desired result? What do the students need to know, understand, and be able to do? Task 1B is model implementation, how the decisions are made. And again, in the backward design model, the goal is chosen before the method of instruction. And the goal is the desired result for the students to achieve, and it is demonstrating a skill embedded in the language arts Florida standards. So an explanation of the components of how to reach that goal are designing a scale with the language arts standard as the learning goal. There are smaller targets within this scale, which are steps to reaching the learning goal. And the target section includes standard-specific content and standard-specific vocabulary. Both the teacher and the student use the scale to track progress through the targets to reach the learning goal. So 1C, Task 1C, is, aside from explaining 1A and 1B, is asking to provide details of the strengths and weaknesses of the current model. Well, strengths of the model is to have the end in mind first. It's a strength because you can know where you're going throughout the whole path instead of just having small mile markers to an unknown destination. Weaknesses of that model is that if you're too centered on one goal, then you may miss other learning opportunities along the way for other mini goals. So I have to be cognizant of that. Detailed information to help clarify my understanding of how this instructional model was used is that I've used it many times, and just like the weakness I've indicated, a lot of times you can get sidetracked on a lot of other mini goals that ultimately do lead to the learning goal that can take longer than planned. So, like any good teacher familiar with instruction knows that not everything goes exactly as planned. Thank you.